Hailstorms, one of nature's most dramatic surprises. Ice stones fall from the sky at breathtaking speed, creating spectacular scenes. Let's explore the power of hail and how we can prepare to face this natural disaster. A normal day in Canberra suddenly turned surreal when hail covered the ground right in front of Parliament House. It's as if nature wanted to say, whether it's Audi or Hyundai, windshield strength needs a second look. Choose wisely. So lucky. Who would have thought in an emergency this elderly lady could sprint so fast it even shocked the cat? As Ophelia approached Cork, a flock of birds turned the sky into a dramatic performance. Can you imagine? Diab stood right at A.S. Jordan and called that moment a storm of birds. The innocent reaction of a child seeing hail for the first time melted hearts, though some argue it was just a clickbait video.
P02 Honda Ridgeline, textured finish on the lunar gray. I like that. Roof. I like that. Oh, and permanent. What do you call this? Yeah. It's almost a convert.
A sudden plot twist in heavy rain. This guy unintentionally became the star of a comedy sketch on his porch. This is exactly the kind of moment that explodes into online debates. Do you think you missed a detail? A bizarre scene in Coffs Harbour. Hail piled so thick after the cyclone it had to be rolled up like carpet. As Hurricane Aaron closed in, Puerto Rico was battered with relentless rain and wind. Dramatic. A small storm in Oklahoma City brought torrential rain, hail, and even toppled massive trees. On his back porch, Brett Kurland filmed nature glowing in rage, an unforgettable sight. A rare showdown in the Everglades, an alligator versus a Burmese python in a survival battle. Nature's instincts are truly astonishing. Unbelievable. In broad daylight, a driver still dared to run a red light in Florida. Do you think $158 is enough of a fine? Or should it be higher? Oh no, a shocking night in New Orleans, Louisiana. Imagine if the driver hadn't swerved in time and the consequences would have been unimaginable. A heartwarming moment when a driver suddenly encountered a stunning feathered friend. The intense blast in Kaohsiung is a reminder. Both nature and technology can erupt in ways no one expects.
旁边，对，跟过来，先走。哦，然后，怎么样？哎，撞到哦。哎，没有前面。哦，爆炸。旁边，对，跟过来，先走。哦，然后行了啊。你看这楼堂，注意那位冒火。哦，啊，别，这边，哎，冒火，哦，很危险。哎呀，我得。
Don't forget to drop a 1 in the comments if you also shouted, "Oh gosh," like me. In the heat of summer, Sydney Harbor suddenly dressed in icy white after a rare hailstorm, a masterpiece of natural contrast.
Beautiful to watch.
Nature proves no technology can rival the sky's might.
Fahrgeschauer. Auto einfach komplett im Arsch.
In northern Argentina, residents must have wondered, is this a storm cloud or a giant UFO landing? Definitely a warning from the heavens. Alertness and preparedness are your keys to safety when facing nature's unpredictability. In a violent New York thunderstorm, debris flew across the sky like fragments of a surreal painting. When warning sirens sound, they're not just noise. They're serious reminders. Act fast to stay safe. Unbelievable. Amid the chaos, Hurricane Aaron's eye appeared calm and majestic, like a surreal masterpiece. Perhaps the Texas sky was testing imaginations when it painted a unique cloud over Fort Worth.
Is there a spaceship? Is there a spaceship?
Who knew pressure cookers had such explosive personalities? Always stay cautious. Thankfully, no one was hurt in this terrifying moment, a reminder that calm and safety are worth more than anything. Think this web belongs to spiders? It's actually caterpillars, a rare natural phenomenon in a small English town. Hurricane Dorian stormed through St. Thomas, thrashing the beach with wild winds. Sydney's streets suddenly turned into icy rivers as hail poured down from the storm.
See?
Who let a giant jellyfish float into the sky? In Texas, clouds don't just block the sun, they cosplay sea creatures with rainbow glows. Wow! A falling mirror turned into a life or death test, and that lightning-fast reflex turned disaster into part of a perfect dance. Moose Crossing Highway became an unexpected stage for a greeting no one saw coming. Just 1 second of distraction could have ended in horror.
Por las que ya no deberían existir la policía montada en México. Me tiraron un espejo de los pobrecitos caballos.
The sky flared, reaching out as if to join humanity's conversation, a scene both strange and stunningly beautiful. The northern lights draped New Mexico's sky in ribbons of glowing silk. One careless moment turned into a laugh or cry accident. A clear reminder, never ignore safety warnings. Queensland residents barely had time to wonder before the entire sky shook. This must have been the most unforgettable delivery run. Instead of customers, the driver met a tornado. Even GPS can't beat the sky.
Holy, oh my God. Oh my God, please Lord. Holy, please Lord. I am sitting on I just passed Mapleview. Oh, okay.
Under the fierce power of Cyclone Yas, the ocean showcased nature's majesty. This scene looked like a real-life animal treasure hunt.
Right up there, Jack, and then just come around, yeah, back down that gas on there. Yeah, what a fucking...
Oh my! Nature's raw power was on full display when hail destroyed a house in Hazlitt. An Iowa man turned his hail-covered yard into his own creative beach.
This is all hail.
Hey, I'm gonna make a hail angel in summer.
A hail angel. He's a hail's angel. What's the temperature out? Like 70?
Feels like it's like 60s.
60s?
Now look, let me see what it says.
Look at this.
Hailstorms in South Australia looked like an all-you-can-eat ice buffet. Never ignore weather alerts. That night, southern Ontario trembled under sudden fierce winds and pounding rain.
Oh my gosh, I almost got blown away! You got, whoa! Whoa! You see that? Oh my gosh, I almost got blown away!
In Timisoara, winds were so strong they blew away entire rows of seats. In an instant, the city streets became nature's chaotic stage. It seems a little lizard wanted Florida residency by clinging straight to the window. In Burbank, an entire hillside suddenly let go. Rocks and dirt rushed downward, sending a car tumbling like a toy thrown off a shelf. The camera captured a rare moment, a tornado forming just before Hurricane Helene made landfall in Cape Coral. Nature truly is unpredictable. Is this real life? A woman gasped as a rainbow burst from a whale's spray.
Is this real life? Oh my god. What? And there's a rainbow from the spray? Is this real life?
Look closely. Not sand, but a super spy fish hiding in plain sight. Truly Oscar-worthy for best camouflage. If this face made you laugh, comment wow below. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Nature never fails to amaze with its beauty and surprises. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to keep us going strong.
Let's go.